Hi, Kilo staff. I just want to give a quick reminder about learning objectives and how to use them in your classroom. Remember, objectives are statements of what students will know and be able to do after they have learned what we intend for them to learn that day. The language objectives should describe in detail, hopefully, the thinking and the learning that they will achieve that day. Please remember to write the objectives in student-friendly, student-centered, or thinking-centered language. You want to make sure that they understand what they are supposed to do for that day. When written that way, students will receive essential information, and you guys will make sure that they achieve the desired learning outcomes. Let's watch Ms. Cohen and see how she uses learning objectives in her classroom.
Okay, so you guys have 3 days left of your project. Well, 4. You'll have today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay? It's due Thursday at the beginning of class. Okay? Remember, your focus is going to be on how do the systems work together to maintain that homeostasis. We did an example with one. You picked one. What did you guys pick? Raise your hand and tell me one that you picked. What did you write?
The nervous system cells the circulatory system to send messages to all your organs.
Okay, very good. The nervous system tells the circulatory system to send things through the blood. Okay, you guys have these. So you've been looking at them. Your learning objective, that is everything that you should learn from this project. So on December 10th, when you guys present, you should 100% for a fact know this. Okay? And how are you going to know if you achieved what that learning objective is? Well, we have those 4 learning outcomes, the 4 things that you should be able to do by the end of this project. I would say at least 2 of them you should have been able to do before we even started this project. If not, we probably had to do test corrections and try to learn it after the fact. But you should know the functions of the systems, and you should know what homeostasis means. We wrote that on page 46, and we wrote it on page 44, so we should have a good idea of that. The other 2, what one system does to help the other, and then this last one. This is the whole purpose of our project. This is the whole purpose. This is what I'm going to be focusing on when I ask you questions after you present. Can you explain how your body is able to survive during whatever situation you have? Okay? It's going to be different for each group because each group has a different scenario, right? But you need to be able to, in your own words, without looking at your poster, without looking at your PowerPoint, can you tell me how your body is able to stay alive? What are the systems doing together to make sure that you're surviving? Okay? Just like yesterday, I'm going to walk around. I'm going to be asking you some of these questions as you work on it. Hopefully you'll finish your research today. You can split up your group. You can have 2 people work on the poster, 2 people work on the PowerPoint. Okay, so at the end of this project, everybody in your group should be able to know all of this information.